Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited that you're all here today. So I just decided I would attempt doing like a sexy Valentine's Day makeup look just because I don't really use any pinks or like those pink tones when I do my makeup. So I just thought it would be fun to try and do like a semi-cut crease with some pink glittery shadow. I thought I was gonna do a chatty get ready with me style, but I think I might just do a voiceover instead because it was actually really hard to focus and do the whole cut crease look with concealer and everything, and I just wasn't speaking at all. But I thought I would do like a chatty get ready with me, which just failed. If you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, I love how the eyeshadow, everything, I love how everything turned out, and please subscribe down below. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you guys at the end of this video. I haven't talked to you guys in a while, so I'm just gonna get comfortable. I don't exactly know what kind of makeup look I want to do yet, pero I'm gonna do something Valentine's Day-ish. I'll leave all the products that I use in the description box so that I don't have to keep mentioning them. Do you guys like these chatty get ready with me's? I feel like it's nice to just like sit and hang out, talk about stuff. I always have to check if I have like a line with the Bronzi just because it's so bronzed. I know that I want to use the Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette. So today it's super rainy. Like the weather, you guys, is crazy. I don't have any Valentine's Day plans like for today. Like I'm not actually doing anything like Valentine's Day-y. My family and I, we're gonna go, we're watching this Korean movie at CGV. Do you guys know what CGV is? Yesterday night, I went to Kutsuya with Justin for like just a little date night thing. That was super fun. Yeah, tell me about what you guys are up to for Valentine's Day. I love Valentine's Day. I mentioned that in my other video. Chatty get ready with me's are always like super awkward because you know you're having a conversation with the person on the other side, but it's awkward because like you're just sitting in your room talking to yourself. Okay, so on my Instagram, someone said that I look like a pine. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. What does that mean? If you guys know what that means, please let me know in the comments. I haven't used this palette in a minute. Like this thing, I was so excited. Like I don't think I even follow Carli Bybel anymore. Or do I? And she just hasn't posted any videos. I really have no idea what kind of makeup look I want to do, but hopefully it'll be something fun. So like I said, it's like raining like crazy, and what's crazy is like if you've ever heard the story of Noah's Ark, my boyfriend and I were talking about it this morning, but like if it, like my backyard was about like 2 inches deep, and I looked at Desi Perkins' Snapchat too, and her backyard looked like it was roughly the same. Like LA is like raining a lot, and my backyard is like kind of flooded. Like in the story of Noah's Ark, it was raining for 40 days and 40 nights. And imagine, can you guys imagine it raining that much? Nothing really new is happening. Oh, you know what I wanted to talk to you guys about though? I wanted to talk to you guys about Revolve, like, and Fire, the documentary. Those were like a couple. Oh, I just dropped my phone. I wanted to talk to you guys about Revolve, and a while back on my Instagram, I had brought up that I felt like being a blogger for Revolve, like to be sponsored or to get product by Revolve, like is that now like the Super Bowl of being a blogger? Like is that the ultimate goal, you know, for blogging in this business? Like, and then it makes me think like, does it kind of take away from the creative integrity of being a blogger if every single blogger or like famous Instagram girl or like influencer is wearing the same thing? I don't know. I don't know the answers, but it's just something that I thought about a while ago, and like, you know, it kind of makes me wonder like the ethics in blogging, you know? Like of course there's disclosure and disclosing information and things like that, but like I don't know what I'm trying to say actually. I feel like I would never say no to an opportunity with Revolve. I think like if I were to go on a brand trip. Not that that's ever gonna happen, but you know what I mean? Like, I don't think I would ever say no, but I do think that there should be conversations about brands that are taking influencers and really dominating the entire market of blogging and stuff, and like, just, it makes me feel like for some reason I have to shop at Revolve. I just want to talk about the ethics part of it, you know? Like, I think there is a conversation that needs to be had about like brands that are being super influential. What are your guys' thoughts on Revolve? Like, do you guys like the brand? Do you like the company? Do you like the clothes that they have? Like, I really want to know what your guys' thoughts are. Like Gizu, for example, like, should they be selling on Revolve? Is that like the ultimate goal for brands and bloggers? I don't know what the right answer is, but I do want to hear your guys' thoughts. I think I kind of want to do a cut crease. I don't really know if I know how to do a cut crease. Let's try it. Okay, I'm gonna just try it. So I thought I would just voice over this part, but I'm using the concealer to make a cut crease. And I also wanted to use this time to just mention that I don't mean to offend anyone if they love Revolve. I like Revolve. I shopped on Revolve before too. So just wanted to put that out there. Just trying to open up a conversation. Who knows if I can duplicate that onto the other eye. And here I'm just taking the pink shadow from the Carli Bybel palette and putting it all over where I put concealer on. Okay, I kind of like it. Ooh. From the Sigma Warm Neutrals palette, we'll put a little bit of beaming, this like pink color here, right in the inner corner. To be honest, I feel like for my like Valentine's Day or like any like event types of looks, I really like to be comfortable with what I know that looks good on me. So this didn't really come out as planned. Yeah, I think that's the eye makeup done. Let's clean this up and then let's go into Complexion. The new Fenty concealer. I also thought I would mention that I'm planning on doing a giveaway at 50,000 subscribers, so make sure you're subscribed. The gifts are going to be really good. It's all stuff that I've used on my channel and stuff, so make sure you're staying subscribed to my channel. This is like the worst chatty get ready with me ever because I'm like not chatting. I watched the Fire documentary and I thought that was really interesting how people just use social media as a way, as a means, like just like taking advantage of it, you know, like not being honest and stuff. But I think like things like this happen all the time to some degree, and I think that it's just important to, if you're a content creator, to like really just be honest with your content and your audience. So I thought it was so sad to me though, the one part about Andy and how he was going to do a certain thing for bottles of water. I was so mortified when I heard that. I was like, oh my gosh. It's messed up to me that the Billy was gonna, like that Billy even asked him of that. That's so messed up to me. I think it's a really important thing to watch for our generation and our time, and any like influencers or bloggers that, or even anyone who thinks that like Instagram is like, you know, real life. Like it isn't. I always say this, but like Instagram is not real life at all. Like the questions that you have about some people on Instagram of like, how are you not working, not at like your work, and you're just at the beach all the time? And like, that's what I'm saying. That's not real life. Real life is working a job. Real life is being a parent and taking your kids to school. And like, that is like a real life. And I feel like too many times people get caught up in this like dream of Instagram. You can't, like, that's such a small portion of society that like has the ability to live like an Instagram influencer, you know, and like gets to just travel and live on the beach, you know? Once you have kids, I feel like Instagram is so different. Oh, I just got this all over my shirt. The movie has stopped recording automatically. I didn't even put any foundation on and I started going into powders. So let's hurry in and go into some foundation. Just going in with my tried and true Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk because it's my favorite foundation. All right, I'm now setting my face, and makeup is literally so messy, I can't. But on rainy days, I really love eating like pho or tacos. Isn't that so weird? I love eating Mexican food on rainy days. It's such a strange thing. Let me see. I think I'm gonna now contour a little bit on my face. And then I'm also going to bronze my skin with the Marc Jacobs Tantric. Next, I'm gonna use Gleeful Mineralized Blush by... That's a lot. This is a lot. I already know it's a lot. I'm not gonna use this actually. I'm scared. It's gonna ruin all the makeup. I'm gonna use Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette for blush. I love this palette so much. Definitely a must-have in your makeup kit. I'm gonna use Soft and Gentle. And now we have to do lips and eyes. I'm gonna do my eyes off camera and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Okay, so pretty sure that took me about like 20 minutes just to put my lashes on and finish up like the rest of my like makeup with my, I used Toasty and Passion Fruit from the Sigma Warm Neutrals palette just to like smudge my lower lash line. I wanna do lips now, and I think I'm gonna use some Kylie Cosmetics lip liners and stuff. So I think I want to use Maliboo for my lip liner. I told you guys that the liquid lipstick was a little too crazy for me. It was, it makes me look really sick, and it's just not really that cute. Oh my gosh, my dad just sneezed. If you guys hear all this noise, it's because my parents are home and they're downstairs and my sister is watching Fire documentary right now. I actually really like the way this makeup look turned out. Literally as the Kylie pencil is just falling apart. I'm gonna try and sharpen this because it's literally just like dipping more and more in. I literally hate sharpening this lip liner. Okay. Wow, the entire pencil is just gone. Thank you. Okay, let's keep sharpening. Oh, okay, actually worked. I need to throw this away. Okay, so lined my lips with Maliboo by Kylie Cosmetics. Actually wasn't that bad, like after I sharpened it the second time. And then I'm going to go in with Nude 2 by KKW Cosmetics or KKW Beauty. And I literally just dab that in the center like this. Marc Jacobs Aha Honey. This is just like the stick thing. So this is the entire makeup look completed. I'm going to pull my hair down, throw this away, and then just do some after shots. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was kind of like all over the place, but I hope that it was helpful to any of you guys. And if you're nervous to do like a cut crease or you want some inspiration for Valentine's Day and stuff, just know that if I can do it, you can do it too. I was definitely a little bit nervous to do like the concealer over my eyes, but it actually turned out really, really nice. And with some lashes, it really finishes it off really well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!